One of the biggest expenses you're going to need to consider is housing. Whether you're moving alone or as a family, Dubai offers a wide range of living options. Rents in Dubai can be quite high. A one-bedroom apartment in a central area costs around $2,700 a month. A three-bedroom apartment in an upscale neighborhood could range to all the way to $8,000 a month. Most landlords require you to pay rent upfront for a year or in large installments. There are also agency fees and security deposits, which can all add to the upfront costs. Once you've secured a place to live, what about monthly bills? Well, electricity and water is around $400 a month, and the internet TV packages can be anywhere from $80 to $160 a month. What about mobile plans? Expect to pay anywhere from $40 to $110 per month for mobile plan with data. Utility costs are relatively high because of the hot climate. Air conditioning runs year-round, which drives up electricity bills. What about transportation? Car or public transport? First, let's look at owning a car. Cars are affordable and fuel is cheap, about 95 cents American per liter. A new mid-range car like a Toyota would cost around $19,000. Insurance and registration fees add up to about $1,000 per year. What about public transport? The Dubai Metro is modern, efficient, and affordable. Only $1.40 per trip. Taxis and rideshare services like Uber are widely available. Food, groceries, and dining out. Food costs in the UAE vary depending on your lifestyle. You can either cook at home to save money or dine out and experience world-class restaurants. Here are some grocery prices. Milk, $1.90 per liter. Bread, $1.40 per loaf. Chicken breasts, $6.80 per kilogram. Fruits and vegetables can be expensive since most are imported. What about dining out? A casual meal is about $20 per person. A nice restaurant could be anywhere from $50 to $140. Brunch culture is huge in Dubai, but expect to expend around $80 per person at high-end brunches. If you eat at home, your grocery bill will be anywhere from $400 to $800 a month. What about education and healthcare costs? For families moving to the UAE, education and healthcare are two major expenses. Let's talk about schooling. Public schools are for locals. Expats have to enroll in private or international schools. Tuition fees range from $5,000 all the way up to $27,000 per year per child. The popular school systems include British, American, and IB curriculums. What about healthcare? The UAE has excellent healthcare facilities, but expats have to have private insurance. Insurance covers vary, anywhere from $1,300 all the way up to $5,500 per year, depending on the coverage.